Hey there, folks! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cooked vegetables and why they might just be the unsung heroes of your diet. You see, while raw veggies are often praised for their nutritional value, cooking can sometimes unlock a whole new level of goodness. So let's explore 5 vegetables that shine when they're cooked, and why you might want to give them a try. First up, we've got asparagus. Now, I know what you're thinking, asparagus. Isn't that just a fancy green stick? Well, personally, I think it's more than that. Cooking asparagus in a little olive oil not only softens it but also breaks down its cell walls, releasing those powerful antioxidants like chlorogenic acid. And get this, research suggests that cooked asparagus might offer higher levels of antioxidants than its raw counterpart. So, if you're looking to boost your antioxidant intake, asparagus might just be your new best friend. Next, let's talk about carrots. These orange gems are packed with beta-carotene, a plant pigment with antioxidant properties. But here's the interesting part. Cooking carrots increases the amount of beta-carotene your body can absorb. One study found that stir-fried carrots had about 75% beta-carotene available, while raw carrots had only about 11%. So, if you want to give your body a real boost, cooking carrots might be the way to go. Just remember, a little fat, like olive oil, can help your body absorb those nutrients even better. Now onto tomatoes. Cooking tomatoes increases the amount of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect your heart and support healthy aging. But that's not all. Cooked tomatoes also have less oxalic acid, which might be a big deal for those who need to limit oxalates. However, there's a catch. Cooking does lower the vitamin C in tomatoes because vitamin C breaks down when it's heated. So, if you're a vitamin C enthusiast, you might want to keep some raw tomatoes around too. Moving on, we've got mushrooms. These fungi are another vegetable that's healthier when cooked. Cooking mushrooms for 15 minutes cause flavonoid levels to increase by around 811%. Flavonoids are antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and protect the body over time. But again, quick cooking methods are key. Cooking them for too long might reduce some beneficial nutrients and lessen their health benefits. Finally, let's talk about spinach. Both raw and cooked spinach are nutrient-rich and offer many health benefits. But like carrots, cooking can increase the amount of beta-carotene your body absorbs. How you cook it matters. Boiling can lead to more antioxidant losses, while steaming helps your body absorb more beta-carotene. Cooked spinach also appears to be higher in minerals, like iron and calcium, which might be because minerals bind to compounds like oxalates, keeping the minerals from being lost in cooking water. But remember, even gentle cooking methods like steaming can reduce vitamin C by up to 60%. So there you have it, folks. Cooking vegetables might just be the secret weapon to unlocking their full nutritional potential. Whether it's asparagus, carrots, tomatoes, mushrooms, or spinach, there are simple ways to include more cooked vegetables in your meals. Using gentle cooking methods like steaming, microwaving, or lightly sautéing can help preserve nutrients. So why not give it a try and see how your body reacts? Your taste buds and your body will thank you.